Politicians are people. But in my opinion, I think politicians should be people who lead by example. Now viewers, I have a video for showing of our very own Jamaican politicians in the House of Parliament who are carrying on worse than some people in a coronation market.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, now we are trained.
Welcome back viewers. If this is the very first time to Unstoppable TV and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now and the notification bell, so once we upload a video, you will continue to be informed. So, as I said, I have a video for showing of our very own politicians in a House of Parliament are carry on worse than some market vendors. Now, before I show you the video, let me give you a rundown so you get a better understanding of what go on while you now watch it. So a while back, Member of Parliament Lisa Anna went to the house in what they considered to be inappropriate dressing. Now, when you enter in the House of Parliament, there is a dress code, a certain dress code that you have to abide by. Probably it's, jacket, suit and tie, whatever. Yes. And this video I'm going to show you right here, so a certain Member of Parliament did not have on the right attire. And the Speaker gave him permission or gave him the okay to enter the house in the attire that he had on, which was just a regular shirt. Now, the rest of MPs was not having that because, as me say, Lisa Anna got a scolding when she did it. So them a try wonder, yo, what makes him different than when time me did it? Why him get an exception and I didn't? Watch the video for yourself.
I wish to recognize some uneasiness among some members in Parliament here this evening over the dress of the Minister of Local Government. Now, let me say this. The Minister had consultation with me today. Order, please. Brought to my attention certain matters and sought permission to enter the Parliament as is, rather than go home. I am advising the Parliament that I did give him permission to enter today. I did give him permission to enter today, right? And I will take from time to time, I'll exercise my right.
No, I have something to say.
You are a senior parliamentarian now.
And
you don't
why
get up
I
and brush down the member, the speaker when he's speaking. Have a seat and approach it properly. You don't do that. You're a senior parliamentarian. Don't ever do that. Please. And let me finish. I gave permission to member to enter the Parliament today, and I wish to advise the House that I did so based on presentation made by him to me. Mr. Semuda.
Mr. Speaker, as I would like to understand.
Get your mic up, so I'm not hearing you.
I would like to understand, Mr. Speaker, what rules obtain for breaking the standing orders for dress. Because it appears that the rules are permissible for some and not permissible for others. Because
you're questioning the authority, the right of the Speaker to take a decision and then advise the House. Order. When you were not properly dressed, if you had sought permission, I would have done the same thing.
I was not.
I did better for you. I sent you a note.
I'm speaking, Mr. Speaker.
And did not embarrass you.
I am speaking, Mr. Speaker, if you'd allow me. Because I was not raising myself. I was raising a rule that was debated about the proper conduct and role of dress in this House. And those rules, and from time to time, many people break the rule. And I am appalled that you would single me out to embarrass me in front of this Parliament by singling me out of having breached the rule when there was never a time when you spoke to me in writing about breaching said rule. So I'm asking you again, what gave you or what allows your authority to be sought?
Have a seat and I'll answer you.
Let me now put my
Have a seat and let me answer you.
I'm asking you a question again.
Have a seat and let me answer you.
I chose to come in here.
Have a seat and let me answer you.
In a dress that would be deemed inappropriate by my colleagues.
Have a seat, ma'am. Let me answer you.
And I am telling you that I'm coming from my constituency and I am not able to go home. Would I be allowed the same privileges as the member from West Kingston?
Okay. Members, I don't think we need to have a debate over this matter. I think that this House should give me some authority to assist in balancing the situation in this House. If a member comes to me and says, something has happened, and I'm seeking permission to enter the Parliament today at a point that would be against a standing order, and I say, come and sit, and I say to the House, all members, that the Speaker, having heard a presentation from the member, decide that I would allow it to happen. I'm advising the House. Now, I don't want to have a debate on it because it will end up in a wrong way. But I'm going to say to the member from Central, if you happen to come back to Parliament in what I consider inappropriate dress, then all you have to do is discuss the matter with me, and we will decide whether or not you come in. No problem.
Mr. Speaker.
But I will be standing by the standing order.
Mr. Speaker, may I say, you said you gave permission as such, and it's based on your discretion. Let me make it clear. As it relates to the standing order, the Speaker has no discretion unless that standing order specify your discretion. Okay? But you can't say it was done based on your discretion. I understand what you did. What is now saying that we might have to look at the standing order. Yes. We might have to look, because as it relates to dress code, it's breached every day. It's been breached every day. You have blazers with khaki pants, you have blazers and others. And that's not what the standing order says. So maybe at this time, we might have to look at the standing order at this time that we are now reviewing aspect of a standing order. And I said this morning, standing order committee, we need to look at an overall amendment instead of piecemeal. And maybe this is an occasion that tells us we need to look further on that particular issue. That members can have some freedom to some extent with this.
Now, as me say, don't get me wrong. I do understand that politicians are people too. But politicians are people who should lead by example. So, if the people who are supposed to set the example for the regular people are carry on like that, have a seat and let me answer you. Sit down and make me... Yo, that's all in the left is saying, no. Him the just left is saying, yo, woman, sit down and make me answer you. You understand? And then we could have hear the rest of member of parliament them in the background. Oh, really? I mean, I say, wait there. A politician them, yeah? You understand? And even when Lisa Anna wanted to speak, and the man said, hold on, you do not interrupt the speaker when the speaker speaking. Sit down and wait until me done with you. Yo, me I said, Jano, them people here carry on different. Watch out, one people. Talk to me down in the comment section, make me know. Maybe nothing really wrong with the way them did a carry on in the house still. Maybe I just me a reading tweet a little bit too much. But more uno tell me what uno think. Down in the comment section. Alright, this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm Medium Unstoppable, and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.